Hi everyone, welcome to the Random Home Gadgets channel. I recently brought my house insurance from Hippo Insurance and received this Kangaroo Home Security System Kit as a complimentary gift. I will show you what's in the kit and how to set it up. This kit includes one Siren Plus keypad, 2 root tags, 1 motion plus entry sensor, and 2 water plus climate sensor. The setup is very straightforward using the Kangaroo app. First, set up the water plus climate sensor. Second, set up the motion plus entry sensor. You can choose either motion sensor only, entry sensor only, or combine motion and entry sensor. You can change your sensor mode later, but need to reset the entire sensor. Third, set up the Siren Plus keypad.
tap to begin pairing. Begin pairing. Pairing complete.
Just FYI, all the sensors will still work via the phone app even without the Siren Plus keypad. To arm the system, either push the arm button on the keypad or in the app.
You now have 3 minutes to exit.
There is a 3 minutes delay to arm the system. Unfortunately, there is no way to customize the time delay. You can also choose the windows and doors arming mode. There is no delay in this mode.
Enter PIN code, then checkmark. System disarmed.
Then set up the root tags.
Please tap your tag to your siren. Tag is paired. Please tap your tag to your siren. Tag is paired.
When the system is armed, triggering of the motion plus entry sensor will lead to alert to your phone and the siren.
Entry detected. Please disarm your system.
There is a few seconds of delay. To disarm the system, you may enter the PIN or tap the root tag over the keypad,
System disarmed.
or disarm via the app. When the water plus climate sensor is triggered,
Water leak detected.
whether the system is armed
Water
or
leak
not,
detected.
there will be an alert sent
Water
to your
leak
phone
detected.
and siren. The setting options are quite limited. For the water plus climate sensor, you can change the device name, device location. You can change the alert trigger for temperature range, humidity range, and water leak. You can also enable or disable the siren alarm sound. For the motion plus entry sensor, you can change the device name, device location. The test notification, voice notification, and activity log are only available with paid subscription. In the entry sound setting, you can enable sound notification on the siren even in disarm mode. You cannot change the monitoring mode via the app. You have to reset and re-register the sensor to do that. For the Siren Plus keypad, you can change the device name, device location, enable or disable the siren voice prompts, panic button, the text notification, voice notification, and activity log are only available with paid subscription. At the home screen, you can go to More Settings by clicking on the gear wheel. Here you can change your account information, subscription plan, add authorized user via the My Home setting, set scheduled arming event or reminder notification. Integration with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Manage all the connected devices. And set siren preferences. Here are my final thoughts of this home security system. The pros are wireless connection, easy to install. The cons are arming system has an unavoidable 3 minutes delay, limited customization, you cannot customize individual sensor behavior in home mode or away mode. Some features need paid subscription. Overall, I think the Kangaroo home security system is an entry-level system that provides basic security features. However, the lack of customization is not ideal for advanced use. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or comments, please write them down in the comment section below. See you next time.